Family driver, welcome to another video. Today it's Easter and I met with my friend to go for a quick drive on the lovely sunny evening to Yorkshire Dales. So we are going towards Bolton Abbey at the moment, where we are going to have a blast on that beautiful, well tarmacked route going towards Barden, and then we are going to stop at the very nice viewpoint over there. So here we go. This is the gate to my road. Last two corners before it starts. turned out to be one of those videos which I haven't planned, to be honest, and it didn't really focus on anything apart from really going for a nice drive and having a nice chat. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you very much, goodbye, do widzenia.